What's up, guys? So, first off, I just went to the dentist, so sorry if I'm talking a little funny. My mouth is all numb. But, we're going to be taking the Accord, and today we're going to gut the trunk. We're gonna take out all this carpeting and this little wood piece, and then all this sound deadening down here. We're gonna take this out. So, yep, that's what we're doing today. And I've seen people do, man, it is so hard to talk right now. I've seen people do the dry ice method, where they'll get dry ice and rubbing alcohol, and they'll set it on the sound deadening and let it cool until it starts cracking and popping, and then they'll just chisel it all off. We're not gonna do that. Today we're gonna do a heat gun, because every video I watched of the dry ice, it leaves like a lot of residue behind it. It looks really messy. So we're hoping we can get a clean look with the heat gun and a painter's tool and some odorless mineral spirits. So what we're gonna do is take all the carpet shit out, hit the sound deadening with the heat gun, and then scrape it up with the painter's tool, and then remove whatever residue is left with the mineral spirits. That's the ideal plan. So I'm gonna start taking the carpet and like the little lid panel, I don't remember what it's called, the trunk floor. Start taking all this out, and yeah, I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, so I got all the carpet and trunk lining out, and now we got this. It's just metal back here with the sound deadening. So, oh yeah, this is how, so all the trunk liners are held in by little plastic clips that go into these, and all I did was just take a fork. Look how mangled my fork is. All I did was just take a fork, pop them out, and grab them with channel locks, and then just pop it the rest of the way out. That's how I took out all the clips. Oh, and you gotta lean the back seats forward to here, I'll just climb in here again and show you. I've been climbing in and out of this trunk. Okay, so now we're inside the trunk. There are clips right here as well. So yeah, you gotta climb in here, push the back seats forward, and then you can get those ones out. Oh. Ah. Yeah, I've done that about 10 times, guys. So if you want to gut your trunk, you're gonna be climbing in and out of it. Just a heads up. What is that? It's like a piece of tape, but it's not sticky at all. Okay, well, I'm gonna get the heat gun and start working on this sound deadening. I'll show you guys the whatever. Once I get one off, I'll show you guys the process of getting one off, and then we'll see how it goes. So yep, wish me luck. I'll be back. Okay, so I got the sound deadening out of this section right here, and a little bit off of here, but it's not too hard, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let me get the GoPro set up like in here. Okay, so you're just gonna take your heat gun and just hit this for a little bit. Hit the tar for, you're just gonna take your heat gun and hit the tar for a little bit, like 2 minutes maybe. Okay, and after you hit it with the heat gun for a little bit, you're just going to take your 6-in-1 painter's tool or whatever in-one painter's tool. And yeah, you just scrape it up. It just kind of separates from the paint once it's hot. It'll come off in kind of big chunks. So yep, there's a bunch of sound deadening, all removed, sound insulating tar. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of the trunk, and I'll be back, guys, and I'll show you what it looks like. What's up, guys? I'm back. So it took a couple hours, but I got all the way through the trunk, and I will show you guys the semi-finished product. I still need to go, the reason I say semi-finished is because I still need to go vacuum out some of these little, it's kind of dirty in here, these little bits. I need to go vacuum it, but yep, here's the trunk. This trunk liner gone, all the carpeting gone, plastic gone, sound deadening removed. That's the Accords trunk now. Next up, I need seats. Need some bucket seats for this thing. These seats are so nice, though. Yeah, fuck it. We need bucket seats. Alright, guys. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching. I gutted my car for content, so yeah. Please like and subscribe, comment on the video. Peace.